Hi guys! So I decided to do an unboxing while talking of the new Miniverse Make It Mini Nature series. Look how cute. So it's 12 capsules and these are some of the items that you can get. Look how adorable this is. I try to look for a pinhole. There's no pinhole. I do see some pencil marking, but let's open this together and see what we get. I ordered this one through the MGA website. And I only ordered 6. Okay. Ooh, what do we get here? Alright, let's check the booklet first. So it's Miniverse Make It Mini Nature 2, Series 2. Oh, look how pretty. Look at these ones. Oh, the flowers. Oh my goodness. How adorable is this? Look at the carrots, the lettuce. I want this so bad. Look at this one, how cute. The strawberries, the tomatoes. This one with the little frog is the best. Alright, I'll just give you one more look. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh, how adorable. Now, all I need for a Miniverse is the greenhouse. It comes with the mix, the soil. It's a little hard. Okay, here we go. Packaging is so pretty. What do we get? Okay. This is for the capsule. And it's our usual. How cute. Oops. Sorry. What do we get here? Oh, look how cute this is. Oh, I wanted this. This is so adorable. Let's put it right here. This for the, it says tomato and cherries. How adorable. And let's open this. And I love the wrapping. Oh, here it is. There's that. And look how cute. This has always been one of my favorites, the mini post. Which it seems like now they give it to you. Like they wrap little things with it. Oh, so cute. From our farm to your table. How adorable. Happy Sun Farms. This is adorable. Alright, let's put it right here. How cute is this? I'm gonna put this here. And I'll put it right there. So we don't get all mixed up. I will definitely iron this a little bit so I can save it. How cute. I'm gonna just put it aside for now. Alright, let's open another one. And does this one have any pencil markings? Let's see. I don't see anything. No pencil markings. Okay. Alright, let's open it up. See what we get. Okay. You guys, I want the fish and the frog. Oops, that's my phone. Okay, alright, here we go. What are we getting here? So yes, we get the booklet, which we already saw. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get the frog. Am I getting the frog? Maybe not. Alright, let's see. Look how cute are the frogs in the packaging. Sorry for hitting the camera. The packaging is so cute. Alright. And this is our usual spin capsule. Oh, let's see. Did we get the fish? Let's see if we got the koi. Oh, I think we did. Look at the mini post. And this is one of the boxes. And it comes with this here. Order from Wooden Crate Pond. I think we did. Let's put you down here. And this is the plant. I saved everything, so I definitely want to stretch this. So cute. And here it is. It's very nice. A little bit different than the one we got from the first lifestyle. Alright, let's put you here. Look how cute the packaging. Sun brown. And here's the water, the resin, fresh, so simulating fresh water. Alright, and I think a koi will be here. Let's take a look. Yes, look at that. Look how cute. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Sorry for hitting the camera. I think you can see it. How adorable. Alright. So we got that so far. I'm just going to open this here. Well, we already know what this is. Yeah. How adorable is that? Alright, let's make some room. And obviously I will stretch that mini post because we are going to save everything. And this one, is it different than the other one? Let's see. No, it's the same thing. Look at this. How cute. Your pond or mine. How adorable. Have a very nice day. I don't know if you can appreciate that with the camera. How cute is that? So I'm just gonna open these two for this video. I'm gonna do a little close up. So for this video, I got the koi, which is, let's open it up. So I got this one here. And then that one there, the tomato, is this one here. Is it this one? Yes, it's this one here. So it's the basil and rosemary. And look at how cute. Alright guys, well, I'm going to close this video. And then please come back so we can make these, okay? Thank you so much for watching.